The international Netflix phenomenon Money Heist, also known as La Casa de Papel, was back for its fourth season on Netflix in early 2020 and will officially be returning for a fifth but sadly final season. Here is the latest and everything you need to know about Money Heist Season 5. So hello guys, welcome back to Movie Buff. Watch the video till the end and stand a chance to win a free Netflix account. Getting into the story plot, I'm gonna explain you about 6 theories. Here goes the first one. Fans have been speculating on Twitter that Alyssa Syria will eventually end up being on Professor's side. The police already has a warrant against her and she has caught the Professor red-handed. Considering Alyssa Syria's brilliance, Professor will try to get her on his side. The chances are high that she joins them because she has already turned her back against the police and has a warrant for her arrest. Here goes the second theory. Tokyo will be the only survivor. According to me, Tokyo will be the only survivor at the end of the show. I have noticed throughout the series, Tokyo has been the narrator. She gives detail about the other members as the story moves ahead. Why is Tokyo the only narrator when there are many other characters? It is because she is the only survivor in saying the story of whole heist to Nairobi's child. Here goes the third theory. Berlin is Alyssa Syria's husband. In season 4, she reveals that her husband is a German and died of cancer. Do you know the last thing he said to me? Can you believe his last words were, "Turn on the news," she says. Berlin on the other hand was dying of a mysterious disease. Fans suspect there is a connection here and that Alyssa Syria's husband is Berlin. And you know what's a German city? It's Berlin. Also, it's kind of impossible to think that just his license plate would lead Alyssa straight to the professor hideout. It can't be so easy. Here comes the fourth one. Tatiana is Alyssa Syria's sister. Fans also believe that Tatiana, who was Berlin's lover and wife from before the heist, is Alyssa Syria's sister because they look alike. They have similar hair color and style, wrote a Reddit user. I think there is a possibility they could be sisters, added another one. Is that why they showed so much about Berlin's wedding in Before Heist? Did his wife influence the heist in any way? Here comes the sixth theory. Gandia hasn't died. Gandia created a havoc for the heist team in most of the season 4. He was in the panic room when Tokyo stabbed him with a scalpel of granite. He executed Nairobi before his reign of terror came to a halt. But is he really dead? Professor needed him for Plan Paris. But Gandia gets into a scuffle with Bogota, who is furious and ready to avenge Nairobi's death. But it wasn't clear if Gandia was dead or not. What if he is still alive? Here comes the sixth theory. Alyssa is faking her pregnancy. Alyssa is the masterpiece of manipulating emotions. That's why she has been doing since the last 2 seasons. She lured Nairobi using her son and told Suarez to fake execute Lisbon. So probably she is also making her pregnancy to get some sympathy. According to this theory, Alyssa is faking her pregnancy as part of her bigger plan to win over on the team she blames for her boyfriend's Berlin death. After all, she has been smoking, drinking caffeine, eating junk food, and engaging in torture. That's exactly what a pregnant woman shouldn't do, right? She could be someone on here said it's for sympathy, so that when her sadistic practices are leaked to the world, people won't hate her as much since she is pregnant. If that's the case, then she is the brilliant, Reddit user said. How will the gang escape from the Bank of Spain? The biggest money heist mystery that has been deliberately left unanswered so far. How are a gang of Interpol's most wanted criminals planning to get themselves out of the Bank of Spain, along with 90 tons of gold, when the building is completely surrounded by police and military forces? They haven't been digging a tunnel like last time, and probably wouldn't try the same trick twice anyway. The only clue we have is that the gold is absolutely crucial to their escape. Could the professor be planning to enlist more outside help? Maybe offering some of the gold as payment? Perhaps the gold is even a complete misdirect. After all, the real goal of the heist was to free Rio, and even dropping millions of euros over Madrid, the gang still has plenty of their near €1 billion haul from the last heist left over. Will the gold be sacrificed to help them escape, or will they somehow get away with both their lives and the loot? There is also another theory. The gang would directly escape from the main door of Bank of Spain. It is crazy, right? In August 2020, along with the official announcement, two new cast members were announced by Netflix. When will season 5 of Money Heist release on Netflix? With an expected delay in filming, we are probably going to see the series written at some point in 2021. Our best guess is that it won't be made available on Netflix until at least summer 2021. Of course, a lot will be dependent on filming schedules during a pandemic which could be moved and changed at any moment. So that's it for the video. To win a free Netflix account, share, like, comment on this video, and of course subscribe. Check out our Insta page to know the winner. Thanks for watching.